Hey, 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 it's Grasshopper coming to you again. This time we've got the Mage of the Ascension, and we're taking a look at the Ace of Dynamism. In other decks, it'd be the Ace of Swords, and in this one, I like to call it the Ace of Sharp, Pointy Things. The image on the card, as you can see, there's a lot of smoke and clouds in the background, with a ruined city and some dead earth as you move forward to the foreground, and right up front is a disembodied hand holding a dagger pointed towards the ground. One of the things that strikes me right off the bat is that there's a claw on that, the little claw on that thumb right there, kind of suggesting to me that maybe this isn't a human hand at work. And of course, you notice they've got some symbology going on there on the knife. Aces are cards of new beginnings, and in most decks, the Ace of Swords is associated with intellectualism or thought. So what I think we've got going on here is the beginning of some kind of intellectual activity, possibly relating to staying in place and studying, or making a move, something about a city. Or maybe it has something to do with the earth that the sword is about to go into. The red on the hand indicates to me strongly that it's a non-human character, so maybe there's some other kind of influence going on there. The clouds in the background speak of some sort of calamity striking the city, so maybe we've got some impetus there for what's causing this new beginning in intellectual thought, thinking about the way things are going to start off and having something to do with what we're leaving behind. I'd like these interpretation videos to go on for about 5 minutes, because I kind of want to go through the whole 5-minute the 5-minute meditation with you as I give you my interpretation of what's going on with each card. It definitely doesn't look like that's going to happen with this one, though, and that maybe has a lot to do with the experience that I've had so far in reading. But I'd like to take a reminder that the Mage of the Ascension is kind of an out there sort of deck, so every piece of what you read will have some of that out there isms in it. In this case, it's a very chaotic, very bleak sort of outlook. Even though it's a new beginning, it's a little crazy in the dystopian sort of sense. So maybe this isn't the happiest of beginnings. Maybe there's some weird stuff going on in the world around you. But just stay focused on the new beginning itself and move forward from there. And that's about it for this one. See you on the next card. Hey, if you like this video, why don't you give a like down below? You can subscribe there on the left or hitting the subscribe button underneath. And if you want to get alerts, go ahead and click the little bell icon to make sure that you get notified whenever new videos are posted. And hey, thank you.